Hi ho, PSU Pungai, and today we're looking at the Liberty Provincial 1.5" antique brass knobs made from die-cast aluminum, and they'll give any room or project a new look. Hardware is either the 8/32 1-inch screw, which is this one down here, and it does have a Phillips, even though they call it a cross slotted machine screw, or the 1 5/8, which has the cross screw. It's very nicely made knob, and we just finished a desk here. We refinished it, and we're going to be mounting two knobs, one there and one on the other side, and you can see the pulls that were there originally were wood, and this gives you just a nicer finish and a nicer project. This is PSU Pungai saying thank you for watching. Questions, let us know, and hope that the videos help you. One last thing I do want to show: these are available singly. We got a second one. They're packaged well. Almost forgot that, and they're available at your local Home Depot. Thanks for watching. PSU Pungai saying thanks again. Bye then.